Oh wait, I can't do a cinematic video on this one either because can't show you the front end. But how's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here. In today's video, I'm gonna go over how these 3 decals, well 4 here shortly, have sparked the most common question I get now on the channel and on Instagram, my DMs, Facebook, you name it. I've gotten this question so many times. So I decided to make a video on how do you get sponsors for your truck. I get questions all the time about that, how I got sponsors for Ashley, my K1500, you know, stuff like that. So to start off, you do not have to have a brand new truck to get sponsors. We'll make that loud and clear right now. This is not a brand new truck. It's a 1996. It's 22 years old, just like me. You don't have to have a brand new truck to have sponsors. My friend slash owner, co-owner, or trip with Harper Tire, he went to SEMA with his 2008 Toyota Tacoma. Now, that also being said, some companies will not sponsor you unless you have a new truck. That's the hard truth. It sucks, but that's just the way it is. But a lot of companies are looking at older vehicles to sponsor because not everyone can afford a new truck or don't want to afford a new truck. They want an older truck, something different, something classic, like, or something like that. So first off, I want to say number one thing I've learned about how to get sponsorships is cut the bull crap and the drama. On Instagram now, unless you just have like a bajillion followers like Scoop or 4x4 Barbie, you don't have to have a lot of followers to get sponsorships. But sponsorships look on how you act online. They want to be represented by people that act mature. Now, don't get me wrong, you can put some goofy posts and stuff like that, some goofy captions and whatnot. They're not going to really care that much. But if you're drama filled, if you start crap with people, if you cause issues, they're not going to sponsor you. Unless you're defending their company or yourself or something along like that. If someone tries to start crap with you and defend yourself by posting about it, then that's a little bit different. But don't start. I mean, don't start bullcrap. Don't post bullcrap. You know, use common sense. You know, that's basically my gist. Secondly, small sponsorships can lead into big sponsorships. So what I mean by that is if you have a company, say Vinyl Sickness, that's a good one. There are a large decal company, don't get me wrong, but compared to some companies, they're small. If they offer you a sponsorship, take it. Because what that shows is you already have sponsorships to other people, to other companies that want to sponsor you. So they say, oh, this guy's already got a sponsor or sponsors. That means that people want to put their products on his vehicle, that he goes to shows, that he does all that stuff. So don't take, just because a small company promotes you or wants to sponsor you, don't take it as offensive. Small ones lead into big ones. Now, I will say I got extremely lucky with Harper Tire. They were my first sponsorship, a wheel and tire company. I got extremely lucky with that because, you know, Colt, one of their reps and family friend slash family member of theirs, saw my videos and liked how I presented myself, liked how I held myself to a high standard, didn't start bullcrap, didn't start drama, didn't do any of that. They want to sponsor the truck and get. Now I'm also a tire rep in East Tennessee, where they live in Georgia. I'm a tire rep for them. So that being said, but don't give out a little guy. Second of all, differentiate yourself. And what I mean by that is a lot of people now have Instagrams about their truck. There's hundreds, if not thousands of them out there on Instagram. You have to differentiate yourself from everyone else. What helped me a lot is because I do YouTube. I talk to a camera. So like these people right now pulling in are staring at me. I do YouTube, I do, you know, all that stuff. So that helped differentiate myself than a lot of other people that have a truck build. So that being said, find your niche, find what you're good at. Even if I'm just making Instagram videos, like a minute-long Instagram videos about products, they will look into that. I like doing, of course, product reviews and installs and stuff like that. That help differentiate myself from that. So that's one way you can also help get sponsors. Second of all, go to meets. big, small, the bigger of course the better, but even small meets, if you can get their name out there for people to look at the product on your truck, show how it works, you're basically being a rep for them. It's not about showing up to a truck meet, parking your truck, walking away, and just sitting back and watching. If people ask questions, help them out. Let them know what the products you have on the truck and what they use for and how you like them and stuff like that. Last Fit Auto LED is a great example of this. Every time I go to a truck meet or a meet or something like that, people all the time go, hey, what's your headlights set up? So I show them on the front of the truck. That gets them more sales and they want to sponsor me more. You know, stuff like that, guys, goes a long, long way of getting yourself sponsorships. So, you know, do the events, even if it's the small ones and you go in the big ones, keep doing the events. Now, what also helps is you get your truck into a booth, like a wheel booth, a detailing booth, you know, something along those lines. It will also really boost up your score, or boost yourself up if you can get yourself into a booth. So like, yeah, when you go to truck meetings, make sure you're sociable. Don't have just your clique. Talk to everybody. The more you branch yourself out and the more you show that you're about everybody's build, not just your own build, your own little clique, it makes it even better. Now, don't get me wrong, I have my personal builds that I like more than others. I have certain type of builds I like more than others, but I still like everybody's build. I still respect everybody's build, and that's the key right there, guys. They want to see, especially if you're younger, especially if you're like just now driving, like 16, 17, 18 years old, you know, they want to see the maturity in how you present yourself out in public. They don't want the kids that are acting idiot, posting drunk pictures of them or videos of themselves. You know, there's no need for that, guys. And plus, future employers will look that stuff up and be like, do I really want to hire this person? You know, be selective on what you post and stuff like that. Save the videos for when you're around your buddies or whatnot, or just don't do it at all. I mean, that's another thing you could do. But guys, that's basically my tips on how to get sponsorships. I do recommendations for sponsorships if I go on your page and I see that you're mature enough and you're posting constantly. Now, stuff happens, guys, don't get me wrong. Stuff does happen in the real world and life gets a hold of you and you can't go to a show or something, and most sponsorships will understand that. 9 times out of 10 they will understand. But, you know, just be yourself, show the products off, be mature, you know, differentiate yourself, the whole 9 yards, and you will be good to go. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, comment them down below in the description or DM me on Instagram for a faster response. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing and changing and trying new and better things. I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.